Start generating free traffic using Google Ads and YouTube in 2024. Download my proven 7-step free ads campaign checklist. Stay to the end of the video and I have information on getting free traffic. Welcome to Affiliate Marketing for Beginners, to getting free traffic to build your online affiliate marketers for beginners. I can provide you with a general outline for creating a successful Google Ads and YouTube campaign. However, keep in mind that promoting Google free traffic through YouTube videos may seem strange. It's more accurate to say you're optimizing your YouTube video to get ranked on Google for free ads for better performance and cost effectiveness. Here's a 7-step checklist to guide you. In a moment, I'm going to give you a secret tip you can use to get listed in the 1, 2, 3, or 4 positions on Google. Step 1. Define your goals. Clearly outline your campaign objectives. Whether it's driving website traffic, increasing brand awareness, or generating leads, having well-defined goals will shape your entire strategy. Step 2. Keyword research. Identify relevant keywords for your ads. Use services like Vidiq and TubeBuddy. Use Google Keyword Planner to find keywords related to your business or content. For YouTube, consider targeting video keywords. Step 3. Create compelling ad copy. Write engaging and relevant ad copy that aligns with your goals and resonates with your target audience. For YouTube, create a captivating video that grabs viewers' attention in the first few seconds. Step 4. Design visually appealing ads. Create eye-catching visuals for your Google display ads and YouTube video ads. Use high-quality images or videos that are consistent with your brand. Step 5. Set up targeting. Define your audience. Use demographic targeting, interests, and behavior targeting for Google Ads. On YouTube, consider targeting based on interests, demographics, and video placements. Step 6. Budgeting and bidding strategy. Set a daily or monthly budget for your campaigns. Monitor and adjust your bids to ensure you're getting the best return on your investment. Use Google's automated bidding features for efficiency. Step 7. Monitor and optimize. Regularly review your campaign performance. Identify which keywords, ads, or targeting options are performing well and adjust your strategy accordingly. Optimize your campaign for better results over time. To receive the checklist you mentioned, consider creating a landing page or a downloadable PDF that visitors can access after providing their email addresses. This way, you can build a mailing list for future promotions and updates. Okay, here's the secret to getting in the 1, 2, 3, or 4 position on Google. Google loves content videos. Many times you will see 3 or 4 videos at the type of Google. In fact, many times you will find 4 videos at the top of Google. That space is prime real estate and can be worth $1 million for affiliate marketers or business owners. In later videos, I'll go into details how to take advantage of YouTube, which is owned by Google. Let me know in the comments what problems you face in getting more leads and traffic to your business. Remember, success in online advertising often requires experimentation and continuous improvement. Test different ad variations, targeting options, and budgets to find what works best for your specific goals. Hit the subscription button to learn more about free traffic and marketing strategies. Go to wsecretsofsuccesses.com.